Yeah. Oh shit. Making noodles for Thanksgiving for my mother. Her tradition turned into my tradition. Homemade egg and flour noodles with a sweet little machine. My girlfriend and son-in-law got me this noodle machine. Put that aside. Now I got noodles galore. Look at all these noodles. Oops. Now we've got to separate the noodles into strands. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hey, making more noodles. Separating the noodles now. Two piles down. Third pile started. Third pile almost complete. Probably make about 4 piles today. Probably gonna send some home with my mother. She'll love that. So I used 3 cups of flour, 360 grams, and I think it was a total of about 4 eggs and a teaspoon of water, tiny bit of salt. And that was about what the dough was for this egg noodle recipe. Okay, third pile done. Let's work on a fourth pile. Of course, this recipe was taught to me by my mother. I've slightly edited as I've gotten older. Sometimes I add a little bit of powdered sugar, get a little bit of sweetness in them. It doesn't really add any sweetness. You don't taste it. It kind of just helps offset some of the saltiness flavor of broths and whatnot. And it's pretty nice. And it's only like a quarter cup maybe I'd add of powdered sugar at most. Just a tiny bit, just a little flavor. This noodle machine's making it much easier to roll and slice these noodles than ever before. Greatly appreciated that. Now we got 1 stack left of noodles. These gotta get floured quite a bit more. There's kind of dry spots on here. Or I should say wet spots. Dry exposed noodle. Like that. It's not wet and dry like that. That means you need to add a little bit more flour. That's why this has got flour all down in here. And, get off there. See, that's kind of what happens when they get sticky. They don't want to detach from each other. Toss it around in the flour, get them all coated. And probably 5 piles of noodles now, it looks like. That's fine. The more piles, the merrier. Mother loves these noodles. She could eat them with beef and or chicken. Just broth, basically. All day long. And these are great. Get a chuck roast, stew it up, get it in the broth, chunked up, toss in these noodles, cook it in the broth. Very good dinner. Nothing like homemade noodles. Which I need to start making more often, because this actually wasn't so difficult, and I did this all by myself. Just to test and see if I can do things. I like to do that. And here we are, with 5 piles of noodles. There we are, 5 piles of noodles. Get some more flour in that one. That's a big one. Oh, here's a couple I missed. That's fine. Well, you get the point. Happy holidays. Happy Thanksgiving. Take care.